Good morning.
Good morning.
So we just found out that we're actually getting pretty screwed right now. We made breakfast reservations at Be Our Guest at 8:05, and at the time the park was supposed to open at 9 o'clock. So we're like, awesome, we're gonna have a deserted park with no one in there. Like, we take some pictures and get like deserted, like Main Street.
We've said it a million times when you get in the park to go left, but this time, because obviously we were already past our left starting point, we were just gonna like beeline after breakfast to Space Mountain and stuff. But we just found out that the park opens at 8 today, and our reservation's for 8:05. So we're already gonna be, the park's gonna be open by the time our reservation.
For a whole hour.
So when we get out, obviously we can't do our left plan because it's gonna be an hour later.
And also,
and I'm sure Space Mountain will be crazy by that time.
yeah. Nice earrings.
Thank you.
Wow, is that Aladdin and Jasmine?
On the magic carpet.
On the magic carpet. Who got those for you?
Justin bought them for me, kind of. Justin forcefully made me buy them for myself, and then gave me the cash for them.
It was happy hour, in my defense. And we're off. On a boat. Everybody look at me.
I love your ears, by the way. Sorry.
Thank you.
Look so much smaller when you're out.
I know. Anyway, we haven't walked through the castle in forever. What? Good morning.
Yeah, like,
Something substantial that's not fried sugar. Hi. Bonjour.
don't get me wrong, I can taste that in my mouth anyway. Delicious. But it says assorted pastries presented to your table. So I don't want to have a pastry for breakfast, and I need more pastries with breakfast.
Oh, we can find something there. Oh, it's actually kind of.
What?
It looks kind of empty.
I hope so.
I hope so. Maybe not. I see a detail. So I know you probably can't see us or where we are right now, but we are in. Oh, you kind of see it. We're in the west wing of Be Our Guest, which is the best place to be in Be Our Guest, I believe. All right, we got a little extra light here now. We just got these. I think they just came to Disney World yesterday. Today?
Yeah, either yesterday or today.
So we just got to Disney World yesterday or today. I guess these are for the Beauty and the Beast where it's coming out. How cool are these?
Love this.
Yeah, I guess these just showed up today or yesterday, and
I love that we're like the first on something.
yeah, we were like here like right at the perfect time, and we had reservations there. Because if you don't have reservations, you can't get in. If you can't get in, you can't buy these.
Literally was on Instagram today. Saw Disney Lifestylers had like posted about them, saying this was yesterday, I guess, saying that they were finally here.
Yep. First ride of the day.
Please step carefully onto the moving platform.
We just got off of Buzz Lightyear, and as you can see, I got Galactic Hero. I did kind of cheat a little bit, but it wasn't cheating, it was just luck of the draw.
That's funny.
It's still impressive that I got Galactic Hero because Lizz was stuck too, and she did not get Galactic Hero. She got really, really close, but no cigar. Nice flying an elephant. How comfortable are you right now?
I didn't even have to
We usually ride together, but since neither of us is that thin, it's usually a little more of a squeeze, so it's pretty nice actually. Bye! Bye, Liz! Oh, there you are. Bye! Liz is on a mission right now.
I'm about to meet Minnie Mouse and show her my Minnie Mouse ear tattoo.
Which one's that?
Permanent right there. It's okay. No, I think I'm good.
Nothing?
No. I will see you when you are done with your clip. Alrighty. Thanks a lot. Oh, there's a stitch on it. I didn't see that.
Oh my god.
Look at this side. Thank you. That's yours.
Thank you.
Can I do this one too? Of course. Thank you so much. Ready? Moment of truth. Yep. Yeah, we just opened this one the other day.
Oh well.
And I think the other one's the tiki cooler.
The more different ones you get, the less different ones there are to get.
I have 4 out of 8 of them.
Okay, so you're about halfway there.
Oh, I don't have that one.
Oh, there you go. That was nice actually.
I got a new one.
No. Sweet and spicy waffle sandwich. How is it? I got rid of my favorite one, which is like prosciutto and Swiss. No, it was like, yeah, it was like prosciutto and Swiss and mayo.
I think they got rid of both of them for a while. At least they brought one of them back.
You got rid of both of them?
I think so.
I've really conquered a fear by doing this vlog. I never wanted to be that guy who walked around with a GoPro all day. Yeah, and I've become that person. So I really hope everyone enjoys this. It is insanely crowded today.
Very crowded.
There's like a 35-minute wait for People Mover. And all it does is move people. Thank God we have Loopy View today. Like right at like 4 o'clock, so we're gonna leave.
We have to be there really early, so we're gonna leave here around like 2:30. Take the boat over there, get there early, explore a little bit. Or we might want to stay there in October.
Thank you. I think there's seats in the front still. Well, we can't get to them. No, there are. They're just blocking them. Yeah, we'll stay there one day.
I think those cabins are new to you, aren't they? There's a pontoon. Make it wait for catching me. For wilderness, we're thinking of staying here in October.
For Halloween.
Decorating our cabin.
For Halloween.
I think it'll be fun.
For Halloween. Check-in's not open. So we're gonna have a. So what did he say?
He said that the only table that we can get gotten that's better than this one is on the stage. which is exciting because last time we were here, we were front row and sat right next to the piano.
Which is pretty cool.
And I'm pretty sure last time we were table number 13. This time we're table number 11. So
we're 2 over?
yeah,
Maybe. Maybe we're right next to it.
it's possible.
It's very possible.
Because they kind of do it. If you ever notice, the servers kind of have like this kind of tables.
Yeah.
So 12 might be that one that was like kind of behind us a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe.
Ready? Everyone's having meltdowns. All the children are like
Really?
crying. I don't want to read one. I want to go do something. It's hot.
It's really hot. I was more comfortable yesterday, I'm gonna be honest.
I was too.
I was more comfortable yesterday. Oh, it feels so good.
Hey, enjoy the show.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes, of course. We know we're getting the best. I forced them to come last time. Now because I didn't come back.
Hey, yeah, that's always all my friends. You did?
I was like, but it's all you can drink here. I know.